All of the props that you see in the movie, we made exclusively for this production.
He basically just took some stuff that he had lying around, like foam pieces and various other bits and bobs, and just painted them up, added some other stuff on them, just did some kit bashing, and made it look really cool and very Star Warsy. It's kind of cool to see.
The costume designs have been, like, they kind of look funny, like in person, and you see it in the camera and it just looks incredible.
We had a location in the script called Olara that was this desert planet. So we found a location that looked exactly like another world.
Most memorable moment, I'd say, has probably been some of the stuff that we were shooting today, out in the hills with the sandy terrain and getting the really cool vistas of the sky and everything like that. Just seeing that come to life on camera and, you know, being able to even be in the movie and do some cool stuff. I mean, it's just been really, really fun.
If you want to see more epic filmmaking with Futura and other projects, make sure you click the link below, and we'll see you on the set.